Literally, not even everything is out of this pantry. Oh, look, there's a baby. Okay, you guys, and here we go. Yeah, it's a hot mess. Not gonna lie, I knew I was gonna film this video, so I let things slide a little too much. No, it's never really that organized because we have, you know, a house full of people, but it's never pretty either. So we need to get things where they need to go. We need to get rid of a lot of things. There is a lot here. So we're gonna go ahead and start by taking all, or at least most of the things out and start categorizing.
Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit trying to be cool, so here we go again.
Okay, now really quickly, this product right here, make sure you pause that. Found that at Costco. It's amazing. I put it on everything. It's like the Italian version of sriracha. I mean, as far as how you get addicted to it. And it's really not unhealthy for you. So you know what? Drizzle it on because it's amazing. Literally, not even everything is out of this pantry. Oh, look, there's a baby. Not even everything is out. And, oh, so much food, you guys. I don't need to go grocery shopping for a month. Some of the stuff I'm not going to take out because I know it's not moving. Like those are heavy, not moving those. But mostly everything else, this can stay. That's fine. But you guys, there's so much food here. That's disgusting. So let's... Grayson. Grayson.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on. Hit it, and I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna
And here is the final result of our pantry. This is not Pinterest worthy. I don't have the fancy, I didn't go out and buy the fancy rolling racks for the cans, or, you know, I didn't go out and spend any money. And that's kind of what I like about it, that I just made the space work with what I had and just reorganized, got rid of some stuff that didn't need to be there anymore, and just reevaluated the situation that was the pantry. Otherwise, I hope you guys got some inspiration, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.